So, yung per share niya from 2.25, nagiging siyang 1.79. So, kayo na mag-judge if it is worth it to invest for that. But, sabi nga, yung all as always principle ng isang trader, buy low, sell high. But, dumaan yung word beat ko. So, hi guys, good evening and welcome back to the channel. And for tonight's video, yung isi-share ko sa inyo is basic information about Double Dragon Real Estate Investment Trust. Since nakashare na ako about Ayala Real Estate Investment Trust, so ngayon, i-share ko naman sa inyo yung basic information about DDMPREIT. In short, for Double Dragon. If you know Injap Siya, he is the founder of Mang Inasal. Mang Inasal is bought by Jollibee. Nag-put up siya kan Double Dragon na corporation. Actually, merong stocks na Double Dragon. And then ngayon, nag-go into sila into REITs. Okay? They are the second REIT na offer dito sa Philippines. Nag-initial public offering sila last March 2021. So, yung offer period nila is from March 10 to March 16, 2021. And listing date nila is March 23, 2021 at 2.25 per share. Diba? Sobrang mura kasi yung si Ayala nasa 25 plus or 27. So, minimum subscription nyo 200 to 50 and maximum subscription nila is 99,000. So, although tapos na yung initial public offering nila, but I want to share with you yung basic information if babala kayo mag-invest sa real estate investment trust. This could be your option. Kung hindi nyo afford yung Ayala REIT, pwede nyo namang mag-invest kayo sa DDMPREIT. But again, as disclaimer nga, take at your own risk, and this is not an assurance that your money will grow exponentially. Just like AREIT, so our outline for tonight's vlog is number 1 is about DDMPREIT, number 2 dividends, number 3 is point of interest regarding your dividends, and number 4 is list of properties of DDMPREIT. So number 1 about DDMPREIT, taken directly from section form 17-A. The company is real estate investment trust formed primarily to own and invest in an income producing commercial portfolio of office, retail, industrial, and hotel properties in the Philippines that meets our company's investment criteria. Primarily, DDMPREIT will be the commercial REIT platform of DD. As a commercial REIT, DDMPREIT will focus on expanding its office, mall, industrial, and hotel properties. However, if the opportunity arises, DDMPREIT may also explore other types of real estate properties available in the market. DDMPREIT will offer shareholders an investment opportunity with stable yield, appreciating underlying asset values, high-quality properties with strong tenant demand, strong sponsor support from Double Dragon, proven capabilities of management to execute as planned, and focus on growing dividend hand-in-hand with long-term appreciation of underlying asset values. The company intends to provide a competitive investment return to investors through execution of a careful investment strategy focused on producing a secure and growing income. The company's principal investment strategy is to invest in income-generating real estate properties that meet a select set of criteria. So, just like Ayala Real Estate Investment Trust, REIT, DDMPREIT is focused on real estate income-generating real estate. Na-mention ko na kanina na Double Dragon siya. Subsidiary of Double Dragon Properties Corporation, a domestic corporation primarily engaged in the business of real estate development and real estate investment. DD became publicly listed company on April 7, 2014. Dividends, this is where you'll get your money if you buy, hold, and don't sell. So, ito yung pinaka-latest dividend nila na approved by the directors, August 16, 2021. But before we go, to be honest, hindi pa ako nag-invest sa DDMPREIT. I only invest in Ayala Real Estate Investment Trust. Amount of cash dividend is 0.027780 per share. Ex-dividend date, August 25. Again, if nag-invest ka dito before that ex-dividend date, makaka-receive ka ng dividend income sa payment date nila ng last September 13, 2021. Just remember this, guys, yung ex-dividend date and din yung payment date. Basta nung declaration nila ng ex-dividend date, pag nag-invest ka nun before that date or nag-invest ka nun after that date, hindi ka makaka-receive ng dividend income as declared sa payment date nila. Okay? Lan yung clear. Ex-dividend and then yung payment date. Next round of dividend is yet to be announced. So, ayos na panood yung AREIT na to, meron sila, naka-declare lang sila last, naka-receive ako ng dividend just this October lang. Point of interest regarding your dividends. Part 2 of operational and financial information. Dividends and dividends policy. The company has adopted a dividend policy in accordance with the provision of the REIT law. So, automatic yung 90% i-distribute nila sa mga company shareholders. The company intends to declare and pay out dividends on a quarterly basis each year. Quarterly means 4 times a year or every after 3 months of the year. Kasi, di ba, ang isang 1 year is 4 quarter. Okay, if you buy a share of stock of DDMPREIT, you will have ownership interest of these properties. Number 1, DD Meredian Park located at 24 Diosdado Macapagal Boulevard, Pasay, Metro Manila. It is being developed as a mixed-use development with a focus on office space leasing. Double Dragon Plaza located at DD Meredian Park. This property has an approximately 139,240 square meters of rental space. It consists of 4 11-story towers. The office space have a gross leasable area of 127,000 square meters, while commercial retail area has a gross leasable area of 11,000 square meters and started its operation in 2017. We have Double Dragon Center is located at DD Meredian Park. This property has an approximately 16,197 square meters of rental space. It has one 11-story tower. The office spaces have a total gross leasable area of 15,124 meters, while the retail area has 1,773 square meters of leasable space. It started its operation 2019. So if you can see, most of the buildings or the real estate properties nag-start 2017, 2019. Yon. And then we have the Double Dragon Center where is located. So, pakibasa na lang yung description. We have Robinson Double Dragon Square, E. Rodriguez Jr. Avenue in Libis, Quezon City. And we have the Jollibee Tower at F. Ortigas Jr. Road, corner Garnet Road, Ortigas Center, Pasig City. So, Jollibee Tower is a 50-50 joint venture between Jollibee Food Corporation and Double Dragon. As you all know, Mang Inasal has been purchased by Jollibee Corporation. So, that's why siguro magkasundo silang dalawa. It has 41 floors of commercial and office space with a total of 55,000 square meters of leasable space. It's a grade A building and will cost DDMPR 603 million, which will be taken out from the ABS proceeds of 8 billion. Yeah. 8 billion. Laki ah. So, quick summary of the properties and mentioned above. Tchadan! Okay, meron silang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have 6 properties. Compare mo sa Ayala REIT, Ayala Real Estate Investment Trust, they have, I think, more than 20 na real estate properties. So, that's why siguro, yung offer nila na per share is 2.25. Diba? Per share, which is very mura. And, on my own, assessment, actually, this is very good start for you to invest kasi starting pa lang siya sa market. Yun lang, risk din siya kasi Double Dragon Corporation is new pa lang siya. They started 2014, di ba? As na-mention ko kanina, dito sa ano nila, nag-start yung Double Dragon, publicly listed noong April 7, 2014. And kung tingnan natin, bata pa yung company. Meaning, with regards to experience, with regards to, alam mo yon, kasi, but I'm not saying na hindi sila maging successful kasi you'll never know naman eh. And, if you go deep down to this kind of stocks or REIT, you really need to search their leadership team, their management team, kung sino yung CEO, sino yung nagmamanage their financing. You go with more pa, you can check their financial statements, you can check their mga ratio portfolio. So, yung mga historical data kasi is, it can greatly affect, but not an assurance. Not an assurance na either maging successful or malulugi yung isang company. Okay? So, yun lang yun sa akin. But, this is really great kasi ang mura niya, 2.25. But, let's see kung magkano na siya ngayon. Kung naglugi siya or gain. Actually guys, bagsak siya ngayon. So, yung per share niya from 2.25, nagiging siyang 1.79. So, kayo na mag-judge if it is worth it to invest for that. But, sabi nga, yung all as always principle ng isang trader, buy low, sell high. If nakita niyo yung video, yung sa best friend ko, may nabanggit siya na it's either magbantay ka hourly or after a day or hourly. Yun, kasi pwede itong mag-invest ka 1.79, then bantayan mo siya, baka akyat siya into 2 something, so meron kang gain nun. O tapos babalik ulit siya kinabukasan ng palagay natin 1.5, di ba? But if you're a long-term investor, you can consider this to invest now and then pabayaan mo lang siya. I mean, not totally na pabayaan mo lang na hindi mo siya pansinin, but from time to time i-check mo siya after a month, after 3 months. Pag long-term investor kasi iba naman kasi yung mindset nun, kasi wala kang pakialam sa market everyday kung nangyari. Ang pakialam mo lang is yung quarterly siguro pwede, or semi-annual pwede mo siyang tingnan if yung price niya is nag-increase. Kasi pag sinasabi nating long term, it entails to 1 year and above, or if gusto mo talaga is 5 years and beyond. Yun talaga yung pang long term. If gusto mo short term kasi is yan yun na within a year. Yan yung short term. Short term na investor or short term goals, gayon. So pag long term, for example ako, lost yung portfolio ko sa dito. So hindi ko siya winidraw, hindi ko siya pinabayaan, ko lang siya muna for now. So yun lang siya guys. So that will be a basic information about Double Dragon, but if you go deep down, you can search more sa Google, and maybe someday I can have, or I can give you more information about REIT stocks. Okay? So that would be all. Thank you so much, and God bless. As I always said, always believe in yourself. God is good all the time, and all is well. Bye bye. God bless and good night.